Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jacqueline, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to crochet shoe soles for babies. And before I start this tutorial, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly go subscribe and please like this video. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet shoe soles for 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months. This is going to be the part 1 of this video. In the part 2, I will show you how to crochet 6 to 9 months and 9 to 12 months. So that is going to be in the part 2 of this video. For today's tutorial, I will be using a 4.5mm hook, a cotton yarn, a measuring tape which is optional, a pair of scissors, and finally your yarn needle or my yarn needle. More information about this yarn will be at the description box below this video. So let's start the tutorial. We are starting this tutorial with a slip knot. For a slip knot, grab your yarn, and this is the tail of your yarn. This other part is your working yarn. Wrap the working yarn around these two fingers like this. You have a circle. Pull the working yarn through that circle and tie. Go into the circle with your hook. Pull the working yarn to adjust the size of the circle to fit the size of your hook. We're going to chain 9. After making 9 chains, we're going to skip 2 chains and walk into the third chain with 3 double crochet stitches. For a double crochet, yarn over, skip the first chain, second chain, and walk into the third chain and pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. After working your first double crochet into this third chain, go ahead to place 2 more double crochet to make it a total of 3 double crochet in that same stitch. After that, we are placing 1 double crochet into the next 5 stitches. So go into the next stitch, place 1 double crochet, and place 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches to make it a total of 5. After placing a double crochet into the last 5 chains, this last chain here, we're placing 6 double crochet in that same chain space. So go into the chain space, place 6 double crochet, and this is what we have. Next, we are placing 1 double crochet into the next 5 stitches like we did on this other side. Into this next stitch right here, place 1 double crochet and place 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. After that, we are going to work 3 double crochet into this first um, chain space that we placed 3 double crochet at the beginning of the round. So into the same space, work 3 double crochet, and this is what we have. After that, we are going to slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet stitch that we made. So come to the top of the stitch, slip stitch. This is what we have for the first round. For the second round, chain 1, and we're going to place 2 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. The next 2 stitches, we place 2 single crochet. This first stitch that we slip stitched in, we're placing 2 single crochet after chaining 1. So go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook, pull through all 2 loops. Into that same stitch, another single crochet. Into the next stitch, one single crochet, and another single crochet. Next, we are placing one single crochet into the next 4 stitches, starting with this one single crochet into this one single crochet into the next stitch up until the 4th stitch. After that, we are going to work 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch after the single crochet. So for a half double crochet, yarn over, go into the stitch. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Next, we're going to work 2 half double crochet into the next 8 stitches. Is 2 half double crochet in each of them, starting with this one, the next stitch, the first half double crochet, and the second half double crochet in that same stitch. Oops. So go ahead to place 2 half double crochet into the next 8 stitches. After working 2 half double crochet into the last 8 stitches, we're going to place 1 half double crochet in the next stitch like we did on this other side. So place 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. That you can see that we have just 2 stitches left. We're placing 2 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. So go into the first stitch, the first single crochet, and the second single crochet in that same stitch, the first single crochet and the second single crochet in that same stitch, and that's what we have. Finally, we are going to slip stitch at the top of the first single crochet. So come to the top here, slip stitch. After that, chain up 1, grab your scissors and cut off the yarn. And this is what we have for 0 to 3 months. We have 3 inches for this first 0 to 3 months. Also, I want to let you know that the size of your shoe sole totally depends on the type of yarn you're using. This same 0 to 3 months with a different yarn, and when I measure, it gives me 3.5 because this yarn is a thicker yarn than this one, which means the type of yarn you're using affects the size of your shoe sole even when you use same pattern that I have just shown you. So I really want to put that out there in case you measure yours and it's smaller than 3.5 inches or it's bigger than 3 inches. It depends on the type of yarn you're using. We're going to go ahead to crochet 3 to 6 months. For that, make a slip knot first and chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. After chaining 11, we're skipping the first 2 stitches and working into the 3rd stitch with 3 double crochet. Yarn over, this is first, second, and this is the 3rd stitch. So skip first 2 and work 3 double crochet. Next, we are placing 1 double crochet into the next 7 stitches. So do well to count. Start by working to the next chain. After working 1 double crochet each into the last 7 chains, we are going to place 6 double crochet stitches into the last chain space here, this space. So go there and place 6 double crochet stitches. I am done placing 6 double crochet in the last chain space. Next, we are going to place 1 double crochet into the next 7 stitches. This is our first stitch. Place 1 double crochet there and 1 double crochet across till you have the 7th stitch. Finally, for this round, after placing 1 double crochet into the last 7 stitches, we are going to work 3 double crochet into the last chain space, this space right here. place 3 double crochet in that space. After that, slip stitch at the top of the very first double crochet stitch. For the second round, chain up 1. We're going to place 2 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Go into this first stitch where we joined our round and slip stitched. Go into that first stitch. With the first half double crochet, you have 3 loops on the hook. Pull through all 3 loops. So one more half double crochet into this stitch. So repeat the same thing for this next 2 stitches. 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 2 half double crochet in the second stitch, and in total we have 2 half double crochet into the last 3 stitches. Next, we're placing 1 half double crochet into the next 5 stitches. So go into this next stitch, place 1 half double crochet into the next 1 half double crochet until you're at the 5th stitch. And for the next, we're placing 1 double crochet into the next stitch. After that, we're going to place 2 double crochet into the next 8 stitches. Starting with the next stitch, yarn over, go into the first stitch, place the first double crochet and the second double crochet in that same stitch. You're going to repeat this pattern of placing 2 double crochet till you're at the 8th stitch. Into the second stitch, place 2 double crochet. So after working 2 double crochet into the last 8 stitches, we are going to work 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 1 half double crochet into the next 5 stitches like we did on this side. So go into the first stitch, 1 half double crochet, you can see we have just 3 stitches left. We're going to place 2 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. After that, come to the top of the first half double crochet stitch and slip stitch. After that, chain 1, grab your scissors and cut off, pull through, tighten up. This is what we have for 3 to 6 months. I'll show you how to weave in these ends. Come to the back of your work, go into some stitches, just the surface stitch, and pull. After that, you can cut off the yarn. So I really hope this tutorial was easy for you to understand. Repeat same process of weaving in these ends into your project like I've just shown you. I really hope this tutorial was easy for you to understand. Kindly like this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Leave your questions in the comment section. And please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the part 2 of this video.